morning, traders. Today is Tuesday. It's 9:30 in the morning. I'm currently doing the morning analysis. Right now, it's currently London session. London session for me starts at 9 a.m. in the morning, and New York session starts at 2 p.m. in the morning. So I have the privilege to trade both sessions because they both happen in they both happen when I'm awake, which is pretty cool. So yesterday on Monday I took a trade and it was a mess. It was a mess. Let me show you. It was on New Zealand Canadian dollar. Check this out. So was the setup. It was a sell. This is where I got in. This is where it was two entries, this one and this one, and both stop loss were here. So as you can see, I was trying to sell this retest. As you can see, the market has been ranging here, and once it broke this ranging area, we had a retest, and then we had, this is on the 4-hour time frame. You have this wick, this doji 4-hour candle. If we go on 1-hour candle, we will see that we have a bearish engulfing candle, and that's when I got in here. Price started going in my direction, and when I saw this when I saw that it was starting to break some levels, I got in on the second trade, but somehow price came back and took me out. As you can see, yeah, it was a loss. Yesterday was a New Zealand dollar bank holiday. I don't know if that's why it happened. And this huge week, bullish week you see here, was news on USD. So USD affected this pair, which is something to note. So sometimes I wonder if I should trade during the news, if I should hold a trade during the news, and sometimes it works in my favor, other times it doesn't work in my favor. Like yesterday, obviously it didn't work in my favor, and also there were other factors affecting this trade to be a loss, because it's not just news, there were other factors. Maybe it just didn't work. So that was an update on Monday. Today is Tuesday, so I'm currently watching Australian dollar USD. I'm currently watching it. If I will probably get in a trade if you have everything lined up, I will get in. I will update you once I get in or not. Alright guys, I just got in a new trade, Tuesday trades. I got in at 3:30 p.m. I was in at 3:30 p.m. and it's not going well, but we're gonna wait and see. It's a buy on New Zealand CAD. I'm back in New Zealand CAD. I was taken out yesterday and now I'm buying. It's like the market is playing tricks on me. So guys, if I win this trade, I will get a 1 to 3 risk to reward. It's gonna be great if I win this trade, but it's not going well right now. I'm kind of breaking even. Price is kind of on break even. Hopefully we're gonna win this trade, but the market is very volatile right now, and it's actually going to drawdown as I'm looking at it right now. So this is the end of the day for me. Right now I'm gonna go to school. It's actually time. I need to move. As you know, I study at night. I have an evening class every day, so I trade during the day and go to school at night. Yeah, so that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow. I can show you something you can run into. When you finish, you'll be feeling brand new. want to update you about the trade of yesterday. Yesterday, I closed the day without telling you, without showing you the trade that I took on yesterday. Yesterday was Tuesday, so I didn't update you about the trade of yesterday. So it was a win. It was a crazy trade. Like, I'm super proud of myself. It was a very, very smart trade. One of the best trades I ever took. It was a buy limit. So price broke up, came back for a retest, and it printed a huge H1 candle. And I was like, if I get in after the H1 candle, my stop loss will be too big. So I was like, okay, let me use a buy limit, because price always pulls back because before it goes up. So I put a buy limit in the middle of the H1 candle so that my stop loss wouldn't be big. And if my stop loss is not big, then my reward is gonna be big. What you want to do is have a good risk to reward. Your risk should be small and your reward should be big. So that's what I did. I waited for price to come back and trigger my buy limit and go up again. Let me show you in the charts. So this is a trade. You can see here, this is the 4-hour time frame. You can see here, this choppiness is when price was ranging on 4-hour time frame. You can see price was ranging from here, here it was ranging, and it broke here. This is the trade I took. I took this trade on Monday. This is where I got in on Monday. After the break of this choppiness, price came back to retest. I sold at this level, but as you can see, price did not reach my take profit. Price went down in my direction and quickly came back for some reason that I don't know, and it broke above and got back inside the consolidation area. As you can see, it got back into the consolidation area, came back for a retest, and it went up. So I was like, if price came back into this consolidation, then price is gonna go up. This is the 1-hour time frame. The 1-hour time frame. This is where I took the trade on Monday. As you can see, price reversed and broke out. This is when it came back into the consolidation and came back for a retest. This is the 1-hour time. This is 1-hour candle I was talking about. I was like, if I got in here, my stop loss will be here and my stop loss will be big. Let me show you. You see, if I got in here, I will get a 1 to 2. This 1 to 2 is very, very, very far, like 300 pips. And I was like, what if I could get in on a lower price, you know, and then reduce this stop loss to this level, because you can see price is, the level is here. So price is coming and tapping this area, and price came back to tap this area. It tapped here and it went up. Let me show you on 30-minute time frame. So this is the breakout, the retest. So I put my buy limit here, and price came back to trigger my buy limit and it went up. I got like a 1 to 3 just to reward. It was a really, really good trade. I love this trade because it came back for me. It came back to trigger my buy limit. Like, it came back for me to get in and go up. It's like it was waiting for me. I love it. So that was the trade of yesterday, and so this is the trade of today. As you can see, this is the 4-hour time frame. We are in a very, very visible downtrend. So I took a sell right close to this EMA. You can see price is almost touching this EMA. So that's, I took a sell here. Let's go on 1 hour time frame. You see we tapped this level 1, 2, 3 times, 4 times, and we broke this up 1 hour uptrend, and I put a sell limit here. Price broke and came back to trigger my sell limit, and now I'm inside the trade. I'm in the market right now. So this is Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. So let's see what happens. It's Friday and I haven't taken a trade. It's now currently around 3:48 p.m. So for me, if I don't take a trade afternoon, if I don't take a trade before noon on Friday, I don't take a trade afternoon. Another thing is Friday, I'm not allowed to hold the trade over the weekend. Like my challenge, the challenge that I'm doing on Skilled Funded Trader, they don't allow us to hold trades over the weekend. So if we are in the afternoon, I don't take a trade, or if I take a trade, I'm gonna close it before the day ends. So also on Thursday, I didn't take a trade. I missed a lot of good trades, guys. I missed a lot of good trades, and it is what it is. It's part of the game. Like, yeah, it sucks. It sucks to miss out a trade. I missed out 2 trades that could have gave me a lot of good 3R, like 2-3R. I would have reduced my drawdown with those 2 trades, but I didn't catch them. So it's part of the game. You're gonna miss some trade, and you're gonna lose some trades, and you're gonna win some trades. So you don't know when it's gonna happen, and when it happens, you gotta accept it. You have to accept it. It's part of the game, and you gotta learn. You gotta learn from those trades, those misses trades, and so that next time you don't miss them. Yeah, so that's it for this week. This is the end of the week. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I don't have a subscriber right now. It's crazy. I've been uploading for like 8 videos and I don't have a subscriber. So please subscribe and give me a like, and let me know what you think about these videos and my trading, my strategy, everything. Let me know what you think. So I will see you next week. Peace.